Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening YouTube, go to the website, or launch the app. Sign in is immediate. First, tap or click the profile icon at top right. If you see Sign In, choose it. Once done, you'll be prompted to pick an account or add one. Make sure you have your Google email and password ready, and that cookies are allowed so the site can remember you. If you use the app, use the device account selection to speed entry. Now you'll choose or add your Google account. This is the core step. If an account appears, select it and confirm. Otherwise, use another account to enter your email and password. After entering credentials, read what permissions YouTube requests. These explain why access is needed, and tap Allow. If you enabled two-step verification, follow the verification app, SMS, or backup code prompts. This keeps your channel secure. Once authenticated, YouTube links your Google profile and preferences automatically. Finish by confirming your avatar and channel name appear. That shows you're signed in. If the wrong account is active, click the profile icon, choose Switch Account or Sign Out, then sign in with the correct Google account. Make sure sync is enabled if you want saved preferences. If sign-in fails, try clearing browser cache, update the app, or reset your Google password. One key tip: check two-step verification and backup codes, because most sign-in problems come from blocked 2FA.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.